Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson from bloggingbizonline.com. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell, give me a like and give me a thumbs up if you would, so you get notifications of any future videos I may be bringing out. So today I would like to talk to you about Screencast O-Matic. This is a screen sharing software that's free online, folks, okay? You can use this for your education, your work, your personal use, and you have a limit on the free version. I think it's 15 minutes of recording time per video. Okay, so you can record your screen, you can edit your videos, and you can take screenshots, you can host and share content. So like I say, you can sign up for free. I have actually got Screencast O-Matic, and I have the upgraded version, so purely because I use it all the time, okay? Not that it needed it, because when it first started out, I was doing perfectly all right with the 15-minute videos, but now you can upgrade, if you like, £18 a year, very, very cheap, and you get all these features. And you can compare the Dulux model to the Premier model there, look, okay? I'm not going to go through all those for you, but this is a fantastic piece of kit, okay, especially for free. And like I say, it's not just got the screen sharing, it's got all sorts of other things on it as well. So folks, if you want to pick up Screencast O-Matic, which lets you share your screen and puts you on video like I'm on video now, so you can do exactly what I'm doing, plus so much more. And just before I go, if you haven't done already, if you've not visited my website, Blogging Biz Online, please come along and visit it. I've always got a free offer on the left hand side, and at the moment of making this video, you can join my rotator site and I'll give you 10,000 free website or affiliate link views of your choice. Just fill in them forms and I'll be happy to oblige and give you 10,000 free views just for coming along and viewing this video. So back to Screencast O-Matic. If you want to learn how to share your screen, or there are video tutorials inside of Screencast O-Matic, okay, that explain absolutely everything about it, and all the features that you can use. Up here is all the features. So yes, I fully and highly recommend this compared to the Camtasia, which is the bee's knees of screen sharing. This is a fabulous option for those on a budget. Okay, so that's it from me today, folks, from bloggingbizonline.com and me, Dave Johnson. I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and also pick up your free 10,000 free credits at bloggingbizonline.com. So I'll see you all soon in my next video. Stay safe, everybody, and see you soon.